Hi, this is Mark Kelly with University Financial Strategies. So we're all about trying to guide you through planning. And here we're trying to find information about you in advance of our meeting so we can have a more interactive conversation about what your needs are. So the first thing we're going to do is ask you to fill in some demographics about yourself, your spouse. We want to know things like your name and their age, and also things like if you have a child, maybe list your child, maybe thinking about college planning. We want to know about that, or whatever goals you have. So here we're basically going to list your child's name. The next thing we're going to step through is we're going to ask more questions about your idea of your financial picture. So it could be various options here. We want you to just pick out the ones that apply to you. So it might be your income, maybe tell us a little bit about your real estate, if you have any debts, and then the next thing that's going to show up is basically a checklist of all the things we need to review. So because we've had your demographic information, you can just click on the person's name, fill in the details, for example, where you work and your income. Then we do the same thing with your spouse. And we're basically just walking you through the process, and one by one we can look at all aspects that apply to you. Overall, we're trying to do comprehensive planning, and so if we can think about how all these come together, then we can help you decide what's the best thing for you, and that way you can be a more informed consumer of retirement or or college education, or just finances in general. And we're focused on using the 7 baby steps that are offered by Dave Ramsey, and because it's a plan that we believe it's a proven plan that works. But the first thing we want to know is, who you are and kind of the things that are concerning you. And so we would like you to do that in advance of our meeting, and it's just a quick process. And then when we're done, I can actually give you what's called an asset map. It kind of looks at everything together and helps you understand for yourself what makes sense for you. And then here, basically, finishing up by just asking about what else is on your mind, kind of the worries that you have, because we're always talking about anxiety and the emotions that people have when it comes to finances. And that's it. When that's done, it sends a report back to us, and then we're able to meet with you and kind of explain how this all comes together. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call, 919-391-7526.